Do you know that there are a lot of things you can do with your scrap fabric? All these things I'm showing you on your screen are gotten from scrap fabrics. There are a lot of them we have on this table. As you can see, look at different designs, different colors that are so beautiful, just like the one I'm holding on my hand. You see, after wearing it on my hand, see how beautiful it is looking. It's looking so beautiful, so fine. You can wear it on your hand, you can use it as hair packer. You see, it's very beautiful. So we had to package them 12 in one pack, a dozen in one pack, and it is being sold for 4,000 naira, 3,500 naira. So we have two different designs on the table, as you can see. So this is it, guys. So you cannot just throw away your fabrics because you are throwing money away. Remember, these are scrap fabrics that you've used. They are leftover fabrics that will fetch you good money. You see this one I just showed you on the screen now? We have it on the channel. A detailed video on how to make it is on the channel. Go and watch it and make your own scrunchie and sell. You'll be amazed at how much you are going to make. I know how much I've made from this scrap fabric. This one now that I'm showing you is hairband, okay? You can still use your scrap fabrics for hairband. So if you want me to make a video on how to make this, just tell me in the comment section and I'll produce it for you. I'll make it for you. I'll teach you how to make it so that you sell them and make money. You see, this hairband is being sold for 1,000 naira. Some persons sell for 700 naira. But we have discounts for those that buy in bulk, okay? So don't joke. See how it is. Although I'm on low cut with it, but see how beautiful the hairband is looking. Look at it. It's looking very beautiful. So don't just throw away your leftover fabrics. Make something out of them and sell. You can sell and make up to 100,000, 200,000, depending on your marketing capacity. So these ones, we made about 20 packets and we've sold them is remaining few. These ones are the ones that they have ordered from us that we are going to rebuild for the owners, and that is why we package them like this. So you can sell to people that are in salon, people that are selling wholesale in the market, people that sell clothes. They can buy them from you. Even boutique people can buy them from you. So what are the things you can do with your scrap fabric? You can do hair scrunchie, you can make hairband, you can make face mask, you can make handbands, you can make turbans, you can make pocket handkerchiefs, you can make fabric key holders, mini coin purse, baby bonnets, hair clips, door clothes. You can even use your leftover fabrics, okay, for patch work on your clothes, even on baby clothes. See this one that is in my hand. The detailed video, is on the channel. Go and watch it and produce yours and sell. This is 2026, so don't be left out. Don't throw away your scrap fabrics and just sit in your shop. Maybe a customer has not got clothes and you start telling yourself, oh, I don't have any work to do, let me wait for a customer to come. No, don't do that. Keep yourself busy. If you have students, teach them how to make these things. They will assist you. You will produce them, package them and sell. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.